Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, VeChain is performing, VeChain is pushing, VeChain reversed in our support zone here on the 4-hour chart. Possible that this wave 2 indeed bottomed in August, and then we are now moving up in some kind of a weird diagonal pattern. It cannot be an impulse because of the choppy nature of these movements here, but most importantly because of the ugly initial rally as an ABC structure. So it means we have to just be careful on the way up. I've given my best to provide some kind of a micro count here. That can still change. But for now, the idea is that we might be moving up in circle wave 3 to the upside. So after we topped in wave 1, bottomed in wave 2. The question is, what is this? I would currently say that we might be still in this third wave. And this third wave is likely an ABC structure. And my best interpretation is that we have an A wave, which topped in on the 12th of November, B wave pullback, and now we are extending higher with a 1-2-1-2 setup. We might be in the late stages of that wave 3, then could get a wave 4, get a wave 5 of 3, get another 4-5. This is to a degree speculative because these micro counts will shift, they will change, yeah. Just some small volatility will invalidate them, but I just try to give you my best interpretation right now as the market is moving up locally in impulsive patterns, because this C wave to the upside in circle wave 3 seems to be an impulse. The main support area that I can offer here is between 2.69 cents and 3.78. But that's the main support area for circle 4. Because, I mean, this is already long enough. I mean, this is for circle 3, this is already long enough. But the microstructure just allows for further direct upside extensions, which means, in other words, I'm going to track higher prices. This wave count only shows that we expect higher highs and higher lows more directly, but if the price reaches this support area, we can watch for support here. And depending on how deep the pullback is, we can make a call, or we can say, okay, this now looks rather like circle wave 4 already. But the main takeaway is, as long as we're holding above that 61.8 retracement of the rally that happened here between the 4th of November and, well, today, and it's located at 2.69 cents, as long as we're holding that level, the overall focus, would be on further upside, and then for one more high in circle wave 5. And then we have to see, okay, is this another wave 1? So it would be a 5-wave move, okay? And then we just have to say, okay, after the next pullback, is the pullback corrective? And then this could present another setup. But this is only the micro here, so that means short-term higher price is possible. I think the main risk needs to be considered. It goes down to 2.69 cents. Obviously, if this really is the micro count, we shouldn't even go down that much. But these levels will change in very dynamic ways. So, I can show them here in the video, but they will change. So micro support at the moment for an internal wave 4 would be between 3.7 cents and 4.19 cents. This is really just internal micro support if this internal wave 4 happens, if this is the correct interpretation. Again, on the smallest time frame, you see lots of distortions. But how would that be integrated in the, let's say, the bigger picture, the larger time frame? Well, looking at the VeChain long-term chart, and I'm very open to change the wave count here, because I think the price is not working on wave 1 of C. I think we have actually, one second, let me hold on. I think we're already working on an extended third wave, right? As I already show it on the smaller time frame chart anyway. And this is also what I'm tracking, like for DOT, for some of the other coins, AVAX. We're just in a very extended third wave, which is common in these bullish cycles. And as you can see, the price reacted to that support zone in August. Now we're just rallying, and there's not always going to be another setup. Those who come late and who did not use the setups provided, they are then often, left out, sit on the sidelines. If you are wondering what to do, I mean, I provided a member update a few days ago about, what to do if you're, feeling left out on the sidelines. And it is a video that might help some of you. It is located here in the member only section on YouTube. You can access it on Discord or here on YouTube. And there are 2 videos, like is it too late to buy, left on the sidelines? That's a video that might help you. Or when will the bull market end? These two I recommend for anybody who's wondering what's going on. I missed the buy, it's just some general thoughts about what to do. I know it helped a lot of people who watched it because of the comments. I can see that, but essentially, if you want to buy or not, you have to decide yourself. But this is obviously now not a low risk entry anymore. Now you can always make it low risk if you understand position sizing and where you want to stop out. But yeah, at the moment, this could be the third wave. A standard resistance is currently between 6.17 cents and 14.7. This area we have to observe. Any break above 14.7 cents will mean that the white count is taking the lead, possibly even to new all-time highs, but this is a resistance area we have to pay close attention to. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.